Hello, Mature Diva family. It feels great to be back with an update on my Ozempic weight loss journey. I am so happy you're here. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. We are getting back into our weekly videos on the Mature Diva lifestyle. And if you're already a part of the Mature Diva family, welcome back and you look fabulous. Let's catch up. So on my first weight loss journey video, I told you all about my initial weight loss on Ozempic. I had checked in with my doctor and I weighed 210. And I will get to my current weight loss in just a few minutes, but I love my results. So when we last chatted, I was going to start my exercise regimen, and that was in late February. Soon after that video, I traveled to Orlando for my graduation and a party. Needless to say, I was not concerned about working out or dieting while in Orlando. I partied, graduated, and had a great time, and then I flew back home. So that was early March. Shortly after I got back, the travel industry shut down. States started shutting down, and we started working from home, and our lives changed drastically. So I did not go to the gym, and I barely left my home. When things changed and the gym shut down, my workout plan went out the window. So from mid-March to mid-July, I did not work out. I didn't gain, I maintained until about a month ago, and that's when I really started paying attention again to what I was eating. You see, when we first went on stay-at-home mode, I didn't eat properly. I was eating sugar and carbs because they were convenient. And once I started taking those foods out of my routine, I began to see my weight loss again. So here's the part I know you've all been waiting for. I'm down another 10 pounds. So here's a photo of my scale weighing in at 189.7. So from 210 to 189.7 is 20.3 pounds. I am so happy with my results. Hey, I'd like to know about your weight loss. Did you start your Ozempic yet? And if so, how much have you lost? Tell me in the comment section below. I found some great workouts from home that I want to try, and I found some walking videos I'm going to try as well. I'll let you know how that works out in a later video. What exercises keep you motivated? So that's it. I would love to have you as a subscriber so that we can continue this journey together. I'll keep you all posted on my results, and I want to know how you guys are doing, so just drop me a line below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay fabulous.